95% of the ocean has never been explored, and what scientists have discovered down there is absolutely terrifying. Most people think the ocean is calm, beautiful, and peaceful. Blue waves, sunlight, relaxing beaches. But beneath the surface exists a dark world filled with creatures and discoveries that look unreal. A world where light disappears, pressure can crush steel, and life evolves into forms that seem more like nightmares than animals. Today, you're about to see 7 creepy things found in the darkest parts of the ocean, and the last one will make you question what else is still hiding below us. Trust me, you won't forget this video. At number 1, Mariana Trench snailfish. The deepest place on Earth is the Mariana Trench, a dark underwater canyon so deep that Mount Everest would still be underwater if dropped inside. The pressure there is immense, enough to crush a human body instantly. For decades, scientists believed no complex life could survive there. But in 2017, deep-sea cameras captured something moving across the ocean floor, a living vertebrate. It was named the Mariana Trench snailfish, the deepest living fish ever recorded. Its ghostly soft body is perfectly adapted to survive extreme pressure and freezing darkness. Its translucent skin reveals a delicate skeleton, while its tiny fins propel it silently through pitch-black waters. This creature's existence proves something terrifying. Life can thrive in environments humans thought impossible. If a vertebrate can survive at such depths, what other alien-like creatures might be hiding unseen, waiting for discovery? At number 2, giant tube worms. Near underwater hydrothermal vents where water boils with toxic chemicals and sunlight cannot reach, scientists discovered entire ecosystems thriving in what should be uninhabitable conditions. The stars of this world are giant tube worms, which can grow up to 8 feet long. They have no mouths or stomachs. Instead, bacteria living inside them convert chemicals from the vent water into energy, sustaining the worm. Surrounding them are crabs, shrimp, and mysterious species, all perfectly adapted to survive extreme heat, darkness, and crushing pressure. These towering worms form the backbone of an ecosystem that thrives in total darkness, proving that life can exist in ways once thought impossible. Their bizarre forms and survival strategies hint at even stranger, undiscovered creatures lurking in the deep ocean, waiting for scientists to reveal their secrets. At number 3, anglerfish. In the pitch-black deep ocean, the anglerfish hunts with a glowing lure on its head. Its sharp teeth and enormous mouth make it one of the most terrifying predators in the ocean. The anglerfish waves its eerie light to attract prey, tricking smaller fish into thinking it is food or a safe point of light. Once the unsuspecting fish comes close, the anglerfish snaps it up in an instant. Some species can swallow prey almost as large as themselves, their bodies expanding to fit. In a world where food is scarce, this fish's hunting strategy is both cruel and brilliantly efficient. Its ghastly appearance, bioluminescent lure, and relentless predatory instincts show how evolution has turned the deep ocean into a nightmarish world of survival, where only the cunning and adaptable can thrive. At number 4, black dragonfish. Among the abyssal predators, the black dragonfish is one of the most chilling. Its skin is so dark it absorbs almost all light, rendering it nearly invisible in the deep ocean. Even more frightening, it can produce its own red bioluminescent light, a wavelength invisible to most other deep-sea creatures. This allows the black dragonfish to see prey while remaining completely undetected, silently stalking victims in the eternal darkness. Its slender, elongated body, needle-like teeth, and glowing eyes give it an almost alien appearance. In this hostile, lightless world, the black dragonfish has evolved into one of the deadliest and most mysterious predators ever discovered. At number 5, giant squid. For centuries, sailors spoke of enormous tentacled monsters dragging ships underwater. These stories were long dismissed as myths until the giant squid was discovered. This colossal invertebrate can grow longer than a school bus, with massive eyes, the largest in the animal kingdom, perfectly adapted to detect even the slightest movement in near total darkness. Giant squids hunt using long, powerful arms lined with suction cups, some armed with sharp hooks, capable of snaring whales and other large prey. Humans rarely encounter them alive. Most knowledge comes from scars on whales or fleeting deep-sea footage. Their immense size, stealth, and predatory power make the giant squid one of the most terrifying legends of the deep ocean. At number 6, coelacanth. For millions of years, scientists thought the coelacanth had vanished with the dinosaurs. Then, in 1938, a living specimen was caught off the coast of South Africa. This prehistoric fish has thick, fleshy fins resembling primitive limbs, earning it the nickname living fossil. It is a living relic from the age of dinosaurs, surviving mass extinctions by hiding in deep ocean caves beyond human reach. Its slow, deliberate movements and mysterious deep-sea habitat make it almost ghost-like. The discovery challenged everything we knew about evolution, showing that ancient life can survive undisturbed for millions of years in the ocean's hidden depths. At number 7, glass squid. In the deep, dark ocean near the twilight zone drifts the glass squid. Its body is nearly transparent, making it almost invisible in the darkness. You can see its internal organs, muscles, and even its beating heart. Unlike many predators, the glass squid waits patiently, floating motionless until prey comes close, then strikes with its long, delicate tentacles. Scientists believe countless transparent predators like this remain undiscovered, silently roaming the unexplored depths. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, yet we've explored less than 5%. From crushing depths to volcanic vents, from glowing hunters to ghostly giants, the deep sea is alive, dark, and stranger than fiction. If these creatures already exist in the places humans rarely reach, the real question is, what other alien-like mind-bending life forms are lurking unseen, waiting to be discovered by the next generation of explorers?